Hey, what's up everybody, how's it going? My name is Justin. Today, I'm doing a road trip because I decided to go to Houston, Texas for the 4th of July weekend. I don't know either. I've never been to Texas before. I'm gonna live my sexy cowboy fantasy. Somebody say Brokeback Mountain? This will also be a 10-hour drive. It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning. I have no idea where I am right now. I have no idea how much more time I got. I have no idea what time I'll get there. I'll just continue to drive into the sunset and I'll get there when I get there. It's more like escaping the sunrise, but it's the same thing. And I made it to Texas. Good morning, happy 4th of July. Happy birthday America or something, I don't know, I'm an American. So the first thing we're doing is the zoo. How many times have I been to the zoo already? Yeah. So I'm at Meow Wolf. That's all I got because I don't know anything about this place. We're just gonna go in and explore. All right, it's time for the fireworks. I'm at NASA, bitch. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. I'm just really excited.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
So I decided to get a freeze-dried ice cream sandwich and do a taste test of it. I really don't have any high hopes for this, and it's already crumbling everywhere. This is what we get. That is a lot better than I was expecting it to be. Holy crap.